My very good mortgage broker tells me that one of my favorite buy-to-let lenders has relaunched their Refurb Bridge to let product. Long story short, this product offers you the flexibility of bridging finance to fund a refurbishment project, as well as providing the security of an exit onto a buy-to-let mortgage, provided there's no change in circumstances, and the property meets the expected valuation following refurbishment. There's a choice of exits depending on the type of refurbishment works. Plus, the exit product chosen will remain available whilst the buy-to-let mortgage offer is valid, giving you security of knowing what your monthly repayments will be once the refurbishment works are completed. So whether you're fitting a new kitchen, or wanting to improve the energy efficiency of a property by installing double glazing, or refurbishing a property that already has a high EPC rating, this could be the loan product for you. To help minimize your costs, you only need to complete one application form. And there's only one valuer for both the bridging finance and the buy-to-let exit, and one conveyancer. Here are the headline terms. Bridging finance up to 75%, for a maximum term of 6 months, with rates between 0.74% per month and 0.84% per month. Minimum loan £50,000. Minimum property value £75,000 or £100,000 in London. Then exit onto a buy-to-let mortgage up to 85%, with rates between 6.09% and 7.09% for a maximum term of 35 years, interest only or capital repayment. Minimum loan £40,000. Minimum property value £50,000 or £150,000 in London. This product is also available for HMOs, with a minimum valuation of £150,000 or £250,000 in London. If you'd like me to put you in touch with my very good mortgage broker to discuss this product, or any other finance or refinance, please email me, peter@thepropertyteacher.co.uk.